Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe.
Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning everyone. May buntag sa tanan. And time check. 4:08 everyone. Today is Friday. TGIF. Um 17th of October today everyone. And the weather for today is 10 10 degrees. 10. So low. And in reality, the weather is not cold today. It's supposed to be cold, but no. Yeah. Or maybe my body temperature is not it's different or something wrong. Yeah, because until now I have it's like I'm in the Philippines. I need to wear a mask. I'm suffering from influenza. Yeah, fluenza. Flu. Flu away. Okay, ayun lang everyone. While I'm walking for 15 minutes to go to my bus stop. See you later after 6 hours. And that's it everyone. See you when I see you. OTD of the day. Good morning everyone! Kain tayo. Ito yung pandesal dito sa UK. Pandesal na Marks and Spencer. So, yan. Yan ang ko. My favorite seat everyone. I'm on the last part. I'm going at Willesden Green. Yeah, my last station. I'll take the train because tumawag ang kuya ko na hindi mo na siya makakarating ng hindi niya mapapabreakfast si nanay ko ng early. So, kaya, ayan. Ako yung to the rescue. I mean, daming tao. Ay! Ayan o, dami. Puno. Oh, busy. This is one of the station that is always busy to the all the passengers are here. Yun lang everyone. Bye at the moment. See you later. Gutom na rin ako. Iinom pa akong gabi. Time check, 9:46 everyone. Way out tayo. Labas tayo dito sa Willesden. Willesden Green everyone. Update everyone. Nakalabas na ako sa train station. Ito ang high road. And Anak ko dito kay Matcha. Meet your Matcha. Matcha. Ay, bukas na. Ayun o, Matcha float. Boom. Kala niya nagbi-video. So, this is it. Good morning, everyone. I'm going home na sila. Papasok ako. Pauwi. Yeah. And, akala nung isa, nag-greet siya na, good morning. Akala niya, nagbi-video ako. Yun lang, everyone. Hindi ako nakabili ng buba. Cups. Kasi they're just open for the coffee. For breakfast pala. Breakfast pa lang sila. So, it's okay. Pakita. Yan, the vintage. Gusto. It is better. I'm gonna make another sandwich for me. And what do you call that? And I have a pineapple juice. Yung binili ko kahapon. So, if ever, ayan lang. Bibili ulit ako. Oh, yun lang, everyone. Uwi tayo, everyone. Time check, 10:43. Ayan si nanay, hindi pa tapos sa kanyang pa-beauty. Nagbanyo na yan. Palit na ang diaper. Hindi lang nagpalit ng damit. Mamaya na pag-andar to. Ewan ko na lang sa dadaanan. Tapos, okay na lahat siya. Kasi bukas daw is Saturday. Maliligo daw siya. Oh, kaway. Say hi. Good morning, everyone. Shout out sa my vlog.
Sa iyo.
Breakfast time. Ni Mother. Mother there. Kompleto yan. Hindi. Hindi. Yan ang akin. Sa home. Dito tayo tapos nagsaing ako dito. Tapos meron akong paganito. Dinagdagan ko yan ng sabaw. Kaya yan. Hintayin natin ng pakuluin. Pero nakagisa na ako ng sahog niya. And that's it. Tapos yung mga na daw. Spices and everything. Yan. At kakain na tayo. This is the last part. The chicharon one. Pinito everyone. Kain tayo. Ang munggobaw. No, kain tayo everyone. Si nanay ay naubo. Alin? Weh. Bea, bakit hindi na to nailaw? Di ba may ilaw to? Pero okay pa, nagpuno naman. Time check. Wow, 14:48 na everyone. Malapit na mag-alas 5. Late ako. Sarap ng tulog ko. Grabe. Kasi naunahan ko na to. Ayan, see you later. everyone. Time check. 14:58 lang pala. Grabe, everyone. Nagkatitingnan ako na akala ko late na ako. Nawala na naman ang isip ko. Nakatulog ako. So, ayun. Maaga pa pala. So, I catch the Greenwich. My first train and my favorite seat.
This train terminates North Greenwich.
Where's our second train, everyone? Going to Way Out Arcade, everyone. Let's
This is the Metropolitan Line train to Aldgate. The next station is Baker Street.
Final destination 15:28 time check, everyone. So it's already my way out tayo, way out. So this is it. Unsafe way out. Napa-early ako. Nalimpungatan sa tulog. Sa gising, everyone. So, ayun. Ganda. Mag-stop tayo. Thank God it's Friday, everyone. Hello? Because is here. Tap-upping. Ayan, everyone. Nakalabas din. My Jesus. Already here, everyone. Toot. May bisita sila. Yeah, good evening, everyone. Pauwi na tayo sa underground. Tayo. At mag-stop tayo sa Oyster para makasakay ng train, everyone. See you when I see you, everyone. Wala. Ano to? Ako? Paalis na yun. Pricing ka din sa kaya. Mandar na siya. Pero doon pa ako sa susunod. Next pa ako talaga. 1, 2, 3. Dito tayo, everyone. Hallelujah. Last train, everyone, for tonight. For thank God, it's TGI.
Mind the gap between the gray and the platform.
Favorite. Good evening, everyone. Ako yung nag-open ng road na to in the morning. And then, ako rin ang magsasara. Ngayong gabi. Diba? Opening and closing. So, still not feeling well. Hindi pa okay yung aking boses at ilong, everyone. So, see you and that's it later. Almighty Jesus. Kain tayo, everyone.